I wanted to briefly demonstrate what's happening in a different car. This is the Honda Odyssey, which has a back row center seatbelt, but it has the ability to be released much easier. So it's the same concept as in the Camry, but this one, all you have to do is take any of these. So this thing right here is also in the Camry, you just can't see it. So we're going to make a hole and then be able to poke it. Remove the star screw on this side. Cover popped open. You got this gray rectangular box around it. It's got a couple of little springy things here. It pops out.
I just wanted to show you what the inside of it looked like, but you do not have to remove the screw in order to access the inside part that has the spring box that's going to get pushed. So just leave the screw in if you want to make this down and dirty quick. I'm going to take and move this out of the way. I just want to be able to get my finger in there. I'm going to pop it, stick my finger in there. Just long enough to push on this white box. And it's out. This next part is in case you want to access that spring-loaded part repeatedly. We're going to make an access hole that you can push.
And it can be a small hole or a big hole, something to get a pencil in there, pen tip, or what I like to use is the little key hidden on the fob, because you're always going to have that on you.
My camera died at this point, so you don't actually get to see the drilling. If you're going to go to the trouble of drilling the hole, I encourage you to go back and look at the removal of the screw and prying the cover back further so you see what you're actually trying to get to, and then just use a 3/8 inch bit.